Hi everyone, in this video, we'll be covering the SQL joins. SQL joins allow you to query and combine data from two or more tables based on a related column between them. There are 5 types of joins: the inner join, left join, right join, full join, and the self join. 1. Inner join. The inner join keyword returns records that have matching values in both tables. 2. Left join or left outer join. The left join keyword returns all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. 3. Right join or right outer join. The right join keyword returns all records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. If no match is found, null values are returned for columns from the left table. 4. Full join or full outer join. The full join keyword returns all records when there is a match in either the left or right table. It returns null for unmatched rows from both tables. 5. Self-join. A self-join is when a table is joined with itself. That's it for SQL joins. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.